Check, check. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Um, I was excited to wake up today. Excited. I thought Bitcoin was gonna pop so much so that like I bought back my Coinbase calls at a profit. Woke up this morning, got myself a gun, and was not happy. Bitcoin down a little bit. Continue, alt continuing to get destroyed. It is definitely IMO. Probably a buying opportunity. Oh, I mean, things get lower if Bitcoin decides to go to like 60, sub 60, which is not out of the question. Alts are going to get cheap. So, good news is I think it's a good buying opportunity. Great time to be either lump summing or DCA. I'm good with both. Need to fix my focus on the camera, but I don't want to move my arm. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. A ding, ding, ding. Coinbase down $6. Should have kept them covered calls on, baby. Ooh, I did not expect that. That was a that was a bad print. I'm not even 141 overnight. I've been doing pretty good lately. Not happy with that number. All right, June 17th. 2 days away from June 19th. Stock market will be closed on Wednesday, which is a weird day to be closed. Too many holidays that I don't get off. That's one of those weird ones. Well, I mean, I'm not. Don't cancel me. Just wait. Like, what is wrong with my mind? Vale's in the house. Good morning, brother. Like, so it used to be on Veterans Day. Most places will let veterans have the day off. Lately, a couple years ago, my company decided to let everyone have the day off. Not complaining. I mean, they took away. California changed this law where you had to give sick days, and before you didn't. So you had to give like 3 sick days. So most places took away holidays like President's Day. Some people took away the day after Thanksgiving, which is just criminal. We got we got a day back in November. Two offs. There were two holidays I think they took away. I don't. Anyway, one was President's Day. That one's a tough one because after New Year's Eve, there's really no holidays until Labor Day. Labor Day, the one in May. You got to go like 5 months, at least with president. Some places off governments and etc. This is more fun than talking about stocks, crypto, because that shit's just getting destroyed. Anyway, long story short, oh, excuse me. Oh, that reminds me. I finally used my pill organizer, but veterans get, where's Ricky? Veterans get, um, Veterans Day off. Do black people get June 19th off? All right. Please don't cancel me. I mean, anyway, let's see what pills I have here. Let's gulp these bitches down. Here's the. Oh, let's. All right. And ding hearts. It's either Ricky to get a sucker. JT in the house. So here. I was watching. A lot of crypto angler. I like. I plopped him on as I was taking, going into nap. He was just like going off for an entire stream on XRP. He has a lot of the same beliefs and thoughts I do. The sound is breaking up. Are you having the sound is breaking up issues, Velez? It's probably just you, JT. Or are you trolling me? Because I have sound. But I don't see anything on my end that would say the sound is breaking up. A microphone check, check. Don't make me sit here and microphone check. A microphone check, check. No, your sound is breaking up. Okay, can I? A microphone check, check. A microphone check, check, check. Are you there, Velez? A microphone check. It's like you can hear every other word you're saying. I mean, if that's the case, I'm just gonna give up. Just gonna give up. Yeah, you're right. Just gonna give up. Son of a bitch. Yeah, right. Just gonna give up. Son of a bitch. Yeah, right. No, there's kind of a son of a bitch. Right. No, there's kind of a. Oh wait, testing. I hear like a reverb. There's kind of a. Oh wait, testing. I hear like a reverb. There's kind of a. Like a double. Wait, testing. I hear like a reverb. Kind of a. Like a double. Testing. I hear like a reverb. I don't hear microphone like check check. Testing, testing. One. In the place to be. I hear like a reverb. I don't hear microphone check check. Sound is good. Thank you. One. In the place to be. I don't hear microphone check check. Sound is good. Thank you. One. In the place to be. I don't hear microphone check check. Way better now. Sound is good. Thank you. One. In the place to be. I don't hear microphone check check. Way better now. Sound is good. Thank you. All right. Let me know if there continues to be an issue. A microphone check check. Microphone check check. All right. Nasdaq's up 8. Hoping for some GME news today. Like I just really wanted GME to say we're buying Bitcoin. The only thing I did was turn down my gain a little. I'm gonna turn it up a little just to make sure. But I see a microphone check check. Tesla up 230. Coinbase down 6. Nasdaq down 6. I mean, E-mini S&P and E-mini S&P and Nasdaq are only down 6, 7, whatever. That's pretty flat. Volatility up 12 cents. Natty gas at 281. Fell below the 3 handle recently. That makes sense. Silver down 8 cents to 29.39. Silver had been on an absolute definition of an absolute tear. Gold down 14 to 23.30. Apple up a buck 49. Apple out of control. AMD down 5. Amazon, anything, Bang gone. Bitcoin down 1,000 on the futures. The Kizash, that's correct. I just said ooh, Caterpillar, 320 bucks. I haven't looked at that one in a while. That one was a stable coin in like 170s. Chewy's that Ryan Cohen PME bro that's up to a bunch of shenanigans in the stock market. Let's see, my Coinbase. I bought back my calls. Made $285. What did I closing? Closing. Trying to figure out. I can go here. A lot easier. 535. What I paid. Sold them for 630. Bought them back for 535. That was on the July 19 300s. What do we got now? July 19 300s. I could have made about 80 more bucks. Not gonna cry over that spilt milk. PME flat, AMC up about 11 cents, basically flat. The miners down. No shocker. I got some information on when the Bitcoin bull run is going to end, believe it or not. We'll get into that in a bit. It is conflicting information. Is crypto dead? Or time to buy? Full time. Give me your reasoning in the chat. They added more liquidity. Ooh, 65.3. We're continuing to tank. Ondo's getting destroyed. Celestia getting destroyed. Is Cardano below 40 cents? Not yet, but it's coming. Ugh, this is ugly. Should I spare you the sound effects? No. Uh-oh. Ah, man. We're going to need a new sound effect. That one's not doing it enough justice. This is brutal, guys. Brew? Oh. Who says it's dead? Explain yourself. Ugh. Now if I Cardano, I gotta tell you, man, I'm still considering. I could sell like a chunk of Cardano, and it'd basically be what I paid for it. The downside is will there be a year? Because I want to make it to the year mark so I can pay long-term capital gains. Painful, very painful. Did I have any pizza over the weekend? Excellent question. Time to buy mother, says Chris Evans. That was a great song. Mother. Who sang that? I forget. Mother. Da-na-na-na. He does horror movies too, doesn't he? That starts with a D? Oh, I almost had it. Danzig. I knew it started with a D. What's Mother again? I know it's a lame ass meme coin. Atlanta. Charlie added some liquidity. They're up to like 5 million, I think. We're getting there. This says 3 million. Someone was saying they were at 5 million. Someone lied. Someone on Twitter said they were at 5 million. Lies. Lies. And their clown car of lies. Honk honk. Neck 0.0010. Men swap 0.0231. Book at 0.018. Indy at $1.16. Yikes. Sunday swap at 0.0064. Its TVL is going up. Flocka, Waka Flocka. Dog with hat leading it. Mother. Oh, Mother Iggy. That's right. Iggy Azalea. How's this one doing? Tate. Blurf. Are you a big Solana guy, Chris Evans? I am not touching this. Is she talking about a lot? Celebrity meme coins are. You're just probably gonna get wrecked, bro. You gotta know when to sell, that's for sure. Stay at 37. Litecoin getting cheap. I mean, what? Adam. Oof. Please, can someone check on Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth? Adam at 695. GFI at 251. That's broken below that little line. That's coming down to the 200. Look at Ondo, man. Injective getting cheap. On left, we need to do a wellness check on Retro. This is the alpha one. The rest are trash. Iggy Azalea is the alpha meme, huh? And why is that? Dog yapping. Ew. Shut up, dog. Polkadot's doing a bridge with Cardano, apparently. What happens when two dead chains make a bridge to each other? Man, this is a bloodbath. E-gold. Ugh. This isn't a consolidation. This is a rip your face off bloodbath. Matic. It is just another Matic Monday. ICP getting destroyed. I just want to I want to shut the charts, shut the chart, shut everything off, and then wake me up when we're bull run. Jupiter. It doesn't feel like Max Payne yet, though. That's the problem. Wasn't GME supposed to have an investor day today? Some GME thing. We need a Roaring Kitty video update. Shareholder meeting? What time's the shareholder meeting? Ah, fudge off, bro. Her? What did I say? $11:30 a.m. CDT. Is that what is CDT? Central CDT. It's 8. Oh, that's Central. Central Daylight Time? Oh, Central. Yeah, Central Daylight. So 11:30 a.m. CDT is 9:30 a.m. PST, I believe. Oh, are they going to announce they're buying Bitcoin? Please. I mean, Iggy's Twitter. Or, I mean, what are you talking about? Oh, I never answered the pizza question. Yeah, I had pizza Friday night, and then it's such a slippery slope. And then I woke up and had pizza again for lunch Saturday because I was working and it was a real stressful morning. And it's just so easy to fall into that because it's easy to make, easy to eat, easy to clean up. It's just less work on all fronts than a lot of the other things that I eat. So it almost came to the point where I was going to eat another one on Sunday. I'm like, what's one more, right? But I stopped myself. Uh, better go go check. I don't give a shit about Iggy's Twitter. Are you from the Outback or something? Isn't she Australian? Why you, well, I mean, why are you so hyped on Iggy? Like, you have a crush on her? No, you are. Been away from Twitter this weekend because my son has the flu and I have to be a real life mother too. Ha ha ha. That was kind of heartwarming until she added the ha ha ha. Mother has arrived. It's just a cash grab, bro. How much of the supply does she hold? Yeah, yep. You gonna dump all this in? She got that right, Velez. I mean, she's hot. She's probably annoying as hell to be around. Mother of Soul Street. I was. I've been watching House of Dragons really slowly over the last couple of weeks. I was watching episode 9. I was real. I've been like it's. Oh, to me, it's just been kind of okay, right? It's really boring, long, drawn out. I I I have a hard time understanding what's going on because I'll start scrolling Twitter because I'll get bored. And there's a lot to miss. I'll probably have to go back and rewatch it. I mean, I'm the gist of what's going on, right? Oh, I watched The Boys this weekend too. Oh my goodness, this season's good again. Anyway, yeah, so I was watching it and I'm on episode 9. There's one more episode and then obviously the new season started yesterday. The end of episode 9 where she came in with that dragon, all that got me fired up, dude. Like that, finally, I get why people might be saying this is a good show. I'm looking forward to watching episode 10, but that probably won't happen tonight because tonight's Kill Tony. Anyway, that's what happens when I see a picture of one of the dragons. Good rug. Oh, no, no, not good rug. That's why I said, bro, you got to know when to get out. And it might have already been time. Right there. Might have been time. I give this one, look, 3.2 million liquidity and 110 million market cap. This is pure degen. Pure degen, bro. There is no alpha here. It is gambling. Daddy only has 2.2 million liquidity and 113 million FDV. Oh, market cap of 112. Yeah. I mean, they're about the same. Beer was one. I think they rugged. Yeah, they rugged. Trump and Biden, aren't they both on Kraken, which is a freaking joke? I'm not against someone picking up a meme right now. I wouldn't mess with anything like kind of like bars, dude. Bars are hip for a while and then they go out of style. It's over for most of these meme coins. Dog with hat probably going to be pretty good for a pickup. Dog with hat, Floki. I've been hearing a lot of things about. Don't even know where Floki exists. Isn't it on? Where's Floki? Velez will know. And Pepe, man, those are the only ones I'd be messing with. The People's Crypto. What chain? Where is this shit? It's on Ethereum. Ricky in the house. How you doing, mother? Mother, brother. We've been talking about a crappy Floki. Oh, Binance. I'm Binance. BNB, Velez. I knew you would know. You got a real great portfolio. You need one volatile. I have some Pepe, bro. I have some Pepe. I have a little bit of like Bork. Not even worth mentioning, but I have some Pepe. I'm not against, like, I got some money over in Solana. I'm not against picking up a meme coin as a DGen play, but it would probably be dog with hat 2.34. And I don't know. I mean, I don't think that, I mean, this isn't going to 10x most likely. And I don't know what, I don't think mother's got any staying power. Let's put it that way. Dog with hat. Trump might be an okay one to get into, I guess. Just because of the whole election thing. I wouldn't do more than a couple $100. Yeah. I'm kind of like a dog that peed on the carpet and got a newspaper to the face after selling Bitcoin and buying Ondo. After buying, I bought a bunch of stacks and Celestia at the beginning of the year. Stacks is freaking, I'm probably break even now. I was up at 2x and now I'm break even. I'm probably break even to right at break even. Celestia, I don't even want to talk about. I'm down over 50%. Paid like $17 for this crap. I got some money to buy some more, but not much. I'm thinking just sell. Forget about crypto. This is backbreaking. How many votes we got? 4 votes. Do you think it's dead? Yeah, this is backbreaking, guys. This is backbreaking and it could get worse. Say backbreaking one more time. I dare you. Coinbase now down $8. I mean, where's the silver lining? The silver lining on Bitcoin, there's silver lining on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's not down that much considering Ethereum was $2,400 in February, $3,000 at the end of February, and we're at 3,500. Bitcoin, same story. Bitcoin at the end of February was 51,000. At the beginning of February, it was 40,000. Oh, that's December. Let's see. Yeah, beginning of February, 42,000. We're sitting at 65. It's really not that bad, but the alt, ugh. And that's where you see your portfolio swing harder. Them deltas, man, they're tough. Bitcoin dominance going up. Bitcoin's going down, but Bitcoin dominance going up. What does that mean? Alts getting destroyed. Buy some Jupiter. I don't hate Jupiter. I guess 1.14, but this is probably a good buy. It's, I mean, am I buying Jupiter just to trade? The testosterone toolkit doesn't just boost testosterone. What are you saying, Todd? All right, I do have a couple. This one's pretty funny. The Cybertree. The Cybertruck after 1 week in Chicago. Did someone actually build that? This chart made me laugh, but it's a messed up chart. Titanic annual deaths in 1912. There was a huge spike in 2023. I just saw this at first and that made me laugh. And then I saw this little 2023 and then it kind of made me laugh. If you full on laughed at that, you're okay. So I got Bitcoin remains on track for a longer bull run by Rec Capital. Let's take a look at this one. Well, wait, the Pi cycle and this one, the Pi cycle top indicator is more popular than any other Bitcoin cycle top caller that exists. And for good reason. It has managed to call every major cycle top within 1 to 4 days. Still no cross yet, but maybe we can get an estimate of when it will come. So blah blah blah. It talks about how it gets it. We isolate blah. We find that these points it has been then 2017, blah, blah, blah. Our rise is much smoother than 2017, which makes me think a longer time frame is more likely. 6 months to December 2024. But the real question, can such an act call the top yet again? Are there too many eyes on it? So is this saying June 20? He says December and then June. Which one is it? Bicycle top? Oh, it's getting ready to do the cross. Oh, it's June 2024 now. I'm still living like it's 1999. 2 to 6 months for a cross. Oh, September. Yeah, so he's saying the cycle top September to December of this year, based on this one. Still no cross yet. So he's estimating that it's going to happen. 34% space. Maybe this Bitcoin dump is buying us some more time. So he's saying September to December. I'm okay with that, dude. Let's have this ship blast off so I can sell. The sooner the better, bro. But he poses a good question. Too many eyes on it this time? Bitcoin remains on track for a longer bull run. One guy said September, December of this year. This guy says longer. However, the current rate of acceleration is however, the current rate of acceleration in this cycle is still 170 days, despite Bitcoin experiencing a 3 month consolidation period already. However, too many howevers, bro. Bitcoin needs to remain in this reaccumulation range for at least 90 days or so more to get closer to resyncing with past halving cycles. So we need to stay in this range for 90 days, but how long have we been in it? 100, despite a 3 month, April of 24. Oh, is when it started. So May, June, July. Ooh, that puts right at, so if someone thought that this starts at the end of July, this would maybe the Tom indicator is all you need to know. I can tell you this. If Bitcoin is over 100,000 and alts have a nice big push going in through September and December this year, and you know, stuff's at all-time highs on alts, especially like Cardano, I will be hitting sell. I will be selling. I won't be like mass exodus, but I'll be selling 20 to 50%. Aaron Miller in the house. How you doing, brother? You think it's meme season? I'm gonna have to disagree with you. I think meme season just ended. I think it's I think it roll up that newspaper and smack dum dums on the nose season. It's buy season. I'm not against someone buying memes right now, but there's a bunch of different theories out there. Like buy 5 memes, you just need one hit, I guess. Um, Pepe, Loki, and Dog with Had would be like 3 of the 5 I would buy, and then maybe throw a little bit at a couple degen plays, but I think all the stuff that's already been out there, it's over for, like, the dumb stuff, like Tramp Daddy, Mother, all this garbage on Solana. USA. But I think you can, I guess I don't know, it's hard to buy garbage, you know what I mean? It's hard for me to get out of that mindset. It's like buying it's like the old days of you guys been going on Yahoo message boards and buying penny stocks. Just wherever the dum dums go for quick pump and dumps. That's what memes are. And that's why I'm like, I'm so sick of blockchain technology and what it's gonna do and what it's gonna deliver and all these narratives and promises. Man, I'm beginning to wonder I'll tell you right now, the world doesn't need blockchain. It does not need blockchain. Or does it? I used to be a Kool-Aid sipper. I don't know if I'm buying it anymore, you know what I'm saying? The Cardano narrative. Cardano's working on all these things, governance and blah blah blah. Well, what's am I do I really care whether or not I'm gonna be using Cardano in 10 years? What am I missing? I used to sip the Kool-Aid or Solana. I think common sense says Ethereum and like Ethereum's definitely going to be around and have use cases, and Base is probably going to be. So how do you invest in layer twos? There's no base coin, so you would the I think the play maybe. Excuse me. The play might be buying some shit on base, but I don't know what's over there. What the F is Merlin and Linea? Aerodome, Moonswell. Let's find a DGN play on base. Aerodome deck. 620 million. Welcome to the Aerodome. Diversify your Solana to whiff bonk pop and be solid. Dude, my Solana money such a like whatever. You know what I'm saying? All that matters is coin. Yeah, that's all that matters, bro. No one's buying. Okay, less than 1% of the people are in. Like, there's a few hardcore people on Cardano that don't care. Like they believe the cult. You know what I'm saying? And maybe they don't care. They really don't care about price go up. They're not selling. They're just buying. Maybe they've already got all the money in the world. Blockchain hasn't made my life easier. It's still a pain in the ass to use. There's so many negatives about blockchain. There's so many great things about blockchain. I mean, I have, you know, an untold amount of wealth basically buried in the desert like Oppenheimer? No. Um, Siegfried? No. Oh my goodness, my brain. My brain. Heisenberg. I have an untold amount of money like Heisenberg buried in the desert. You know what I'm saying? It's on a hardware device, not in a bank, not in a mattress. It's not in a safe below the floorboards in my house, like training day. It's almost I'm not a conspiracy theorist person, but I mean, it's gonna be pretty hard for the government to take that money from me. Not really. I mean, I would have to, like, leave the country and they could still come after you. I would have to leave the country and go to some non-extradition place, and otherwise, they would tax me on the way going out. They could deny me. They would just take it when I on-ramped it or off-ramped it. It's not insured. There are scenarios. There's more risk of losing it than in a bank, most likely, like those ET video games. I don't know what that means. Hmm. Yeah, it's buried in the ground like those ET video games. I get it. It's too many. It's more than. I mean, look, dude. Yeah, it's too many coins. 99% of crypto is garbage, but it's garbage that goes up. It's there's good things out there. Like Ondo is a good. I think Ondo is a very good coin. You can't do it in the United States. You can buy real world tokenized US bonds, but you can't do it in the United States. Lame. United States makes so many bad mistakes. I will say I am pretty pleased with some of the things Trump is saying. You can't believe shit that comes out of his mouth, but he wants United States. This idiot on Twitter, bro. I forget. He's the most crackerjack Twitter account out there. He's the one that we were talking about. He's always talking about Solana ETF, blah, blah, blah. He posted a tweet yesterday that that no, that if Trump says if he gets elected, he's gonna make Bitcoin what is that? What do they call this guy right here? Legal tender. Bitcoin rumors. He's just making shit up, bro. Donald Trump likely to make Bitcoin legal tender. He can't do that. And he said he's going to fire Jerome Powell, not Jay Powell, Gary Gensler. He can't do that either. You can't sign an executive order and just make Bitcoin a legal tender. I don't think. I think that one would take, like acts of Congress and God. And there's no real reason for them to do that I can think of. They want that tax money, son. And there's no way this is wrong. What cracked me up is I read, I don't know if it's changed much, but let's look at the comments. Fascinating, blah, blah. That would be insane. Yeah, people are believing this. Going to have significant implication for financial markets. The orange pill is real. That would send Bitcoin to 1 million. People believe it would happen. Let's go. Make America based again. So we're all voting for Trump, right? Because this guy's obviously a Trump supporter, and he's just helping do his thing to get some votes. End of the war, MAGA, make Ada great again. Is that what make Ada great again? That's what that hat said. Not in 1 million years. He gets it. There's no shot that this is true. The guy just made this up. 46 million Bitcoin wallets holding at least $1 of value. Thank you for the most useless stat of the day. Apple bought back 429 billion worth of its own stock. Yeah, that turned out to be a good investment. Don't they have something like half a trillion in petty cash? Oh, I'm surprised you're here, Ricky. Aren't you off today? Have a great day. May the force be with you. Jimmy on fire? It wasn't dumpster fire. Down 83 cents, bro. Should I sell on my Coinbase now and go long Jimmy into the shareholder meeting? Do you think they're going to announce something big? 71% of you think crypto's dead. It's over. 71% of you think it's over. It's it. We're done. We're donezo. Oh, not this week. So they're making you. Oh, you have to do. You're like that. 4 days on, 3 days off, whatever. And because you're off Wednesday, we don't get June 19th off. Juneteenth off. Peter in the house. How you doing, brother? I was thinking of you this week as I was watching that crypto angler just go off on how stupid XRP is. I know you guys are going to laugh, but Trump has said even playing field like 8 times publicly in speeches, and that's XRP related quote. Yeah. I I don't XRP is the most dead narrative coin on the planet. If I was in XRP, I would definitely. I think you're up pretty big in it already, aren't you? I think there's much better fish to fry. And this is funny because it's kind of true. 1987 millionaires office, more like 2021 billionaire office when Sam Bankman-Fried was a billionaire. Probably still is. What's happening next, Anon? I still don't understand that Anon. It's over my head. Chuck Schumer was getting clowned so bad for putting cheese on a raw burger that he deleted this tweet. Yeah, what that's kind of a. I guess they're saying he put the cheese on too early, but he's probably was just staging a picture. And you guys had to crawl up his ass. Yeah, it's real. I've seen this posted by a couple people. What a fail. They poor guy. He's just trying to be a little hip hop. You guys gotta crawl up his ass. He probably had some dumb publicist like, hey, that'd be great. Let's show you flipping a burger and let's put some cheese on there just to make the picture look good. And shit ass Americans do what they do. Watch me out, cheese on my foot. Yeah, I don't know. It's a weird thing to crawl up someone's ass for. Toxic. Toxic. Hey, baby. Every bank in Japan will use XRP in 2025. You always tell me to look up things about XRP, and it's just, I don't know. XRP in Japan? Ripple in partnership with 80% of Japanese banks. That doesn't mean they'll use an XRP. Yeah, I mean, if this is true, I guess. Ripple announced the launch of XRPL Japan Korea Fund on the 1 billion. All XRP is they have this huge fund to just dump on your face. I don't know, man. I don't understand why anyone would use XRP. I've never understood that. Why would any bank, what's its use case? What's its value? I've never understood that. Never. Sarah just messaged me. What does she have for this morning? It's nerve wracking because she got into this scammy coin. She didn't take advice from old Tom, and she took advice from her brother, and she got involved in this weird coin that, like, I don't know, they went through some shit, and then she's going through this process where she gets the money back, but they're sending it to her in Tether, and I'm just like, she doesn't have a wallet, and I don't know if they can send that directly to an exchange or whatever. So but she's sending it to me, and what if it doesn't show up or it gets lost or what? I don't want this headache, bro. XRP is a bridge currency, so there won't be any more Nostro Vostro accounts. I don't know what a Nostro Vostro. Um, I don't know. I'm reading this and I still don't understand it. A Nostro account is a foreign currency in the local, so foreign and local. So it's just a way to bridge funds from one currency to another. I don't. How do you do that in a volatile asset though? It has to be like you convert it to XRP, you send it, you convert it back. I don't know. I feel like banks, like, aren't some of them already spinning up their own chains and shit? Like, is JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, etc., they really going to want to get in bed with Ripple? I don't know. I could be wrong. But don't, I think all narratives in crypto are stupid until they start becoming, you know? XRP is 100,000 times more efficient than Bitcoin. I'm not going to look. I'm not here to argue whether or not something's more efficient than Bitcoin. I don't, Bitcoin isn't, people aren't buying Bitcoin for efficiency. People are buying, Bitcoin is its own thing, right? Bitcoin and Litecoin, they're their own thing. They're completely separate narrative. Anyone that says that this coin is better than Bitcoin for this narrative, you're just you're just talking a book, right? Bitcoin is really good at just being a store of value, right? A great store of value. That's all it needs to be. You put your money in your Bitcoin and it goes up over time versus fiat. Now it's gut wrenching volatility, but that's all it ever needs to be. And they'll make it, there's already lightning, so they'll make it cheaper and more efficient, I guess. But I mean, you buy Bitcoin, you don't, people don't use gold. People don't buy gold to pay for things in gold. This whole buying thing in Bitcoin narrative is stupid too. Like, sure, offer a way to buy things in Bitcoin, I guess, but it's not like you're going around. Like, who's going around and going to like Amazon and checking out in Bitcoin or Newegg? Newegg accepts Bitcoin, or they used to. Who's going to go check out and buy a computer in Bitcoin? Tax event, take 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Charge it to the game, earn some points. And then I don't know, but all Bitcoin needs to be is a good store of value. That's it. And an easily transferable, fast store of value. 21 million capped. That's all. That's it. Period. Bitcoin is its own thing. Now, utility. It's Bitcoin isn't there for like a wide array, a wide array of utility. Got more utility than gold. It's a superior asset to gold, in my opinion, on almost every front. Not all. Like theoretically, we can get hit with the whatchamacallit, an EMF, major corona blast EMF that just completely obliterates all electricity on the planet. Or, then what? All electricity is gone, period. I guess it would have to destroy all the electronics too, because you can rebuild the electricity and rebuild the power back on the computers. But what if theoretically, but soon there'll be Bitcoin nodes in space on Mars, you know? You can't eradicate gold. Gold's always going to be there. You can't melt and evaporate and make all the gold go away. Theoretically, you can make all the Bitcoin go away. XRP is like one of the worst investments currently. You should have sold when it got close to a dollar after the court case. Yeah. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Hey, baby. What is it with Democrats and not knowing how to use a grill? Between Kathy Hochul in a white dress and Chuck, there's enough uncooked food here. Why are we calling up her ass? Yeah, what's the not serving? Why are we calling up this chick's ass? He's flipping it or just showing it? Big deal. You guys got too much time on your hands. Toxic America. Me trying to make my friends and family understand Bitcoin before it's too late. Me trying to make Peter understand Bitcoin. We'll give her a patty. You guys hear that? Probably a leaf blower outside right now. I don't even want to look at the price of Bitcoin, bro. Positive momentum is returning. You said that back here, and look what happened. I remember we were talking about positive momentum back here, and now look at us. One little pink bar don't mean shit, bro. There was a pink bar right here, and then it dumped. Positive momentum. Yeah, eventually. You can always stretch this out. How old's this post? 22 hours? Yeah, how's this working out? 22 hours ago, I was getting a little excited too. Oh, it's trying to make a comeback actually. 65.6. It was at 65.2. Double bottom. This a double bottom right here? It is. Okay, so we lost the 50. We need to get this is not good, guys. We held the 50 3 days and then today we lost it. We need to get back above this 50 or I would short the shit out of Bitcoin. Fat and Ajax are dumping a lot. Matthew in the house. How you doing, brother? Haven't they done their thing? I mean, what isn't dumping? 25%? Yikes. When did they announce? Is this right around where they announced it? Tesla going up. Coinbase down 7. Jimmy down $1. Tesla up 675. Not bad. How many percent of you think crypto's dead? I'm a little blown away. There's 10 votes and probably 1 like. Oh, 5 likes. Not bad. 11 people in the house. Jimmy got a compound tractor. Jimmy's got a. What are you talking about? Got a compound. What's a compound tractor? I grew up driving tractors. I don't know what a compound tractor is. I've heard of a combine harvest. Yeah, I've heard of a combine. Oh, you're calling a combine a tractor? Is that what you're doing? Tell me you're a city slicker without telling me you're a city slicker. Oh, compound fracture. Wow. Bloop bloop. Nice GME on life support. Bloop bloop. Jimmy. Mara. Ugh. Crypto will be so massive 2020 and then crash again. I will be out before that. I hope you and me both, brother. Are you selling your Ripple? Your XRP? How much of your XRP you keeping in the when you sell? 30 to 40,000 you will sell? Well, how much do you have? Without like I just wanted like a percentage. You didn't have to tell me. Keep 25. I like it. If you're like main Kool-Aid sipping as XRP and you want to keep like 20, 25%, I'm down with that. Like I'm kind of the same way with Cardano, but not really. Oh, I see. You have 65,000. You're gonna sell about 2/3 of it. Yep, I don't hate it. Yeah, Tesla is doing nice. I don't know why. Mother about to pump. Why is XRP going up? Maybe the Japan news. Is it? I mean, Bitcoin's starting to pump now. Everything's getting a little pump. Is this finally? How cheap Ondo got all the way down to $1.06. DAX $1.77. DAX getting waxed. XRP up a few pennies. Sell. Yeah, it's the only green crypto on my list too, brother. No joke. I got a long, long ass list of cryptos. Yeah, they announced Japan. They have, I guess, they have some shit going on with Japan banks. Maybe that's why. Mother's getting ready to pump, huh? I don't think so, bro. Last week, I testified before the Senate Appropriation Subcommittee on Financial. Who gives a shit, bro? Anyone else watch The Boys yet? Why does that show have to take things too far? They always have a scene like that one scene. You're like, okay, bro, you went a little too far, and there's no way you can top that. They did it this year, bro. They did it. I'm talking about. There's like a scene where in the sauna. Sounds great. You've never seen The Boys? You've got to be joking me, bro. Do you like those kind of shows at all? Superhero movies and shit like that? Like, I'm not really big into superhero movies or shows, but The Boys is not your typical, yeah, me either. Boys is not your typical superhero show. You should, The Boys and Peacemaker. Do you if you like the only ones I like are Guardian of the Galaxy and Deadpool. So if you like those, I don't, the Boys is like what superheroes would really be like if they existed. It's really good. I got bored. Yeah, no, bro. Go watch The Boys. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It is very gory and yeah, The Boys is not your typical like it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, trust me. And they always have like that one scene and they're like, "Oh, are you kidding me?" Like you The Boys is one of those shows like I have this thing where I'd like to eat. I don't know why. I'm trying to break myself of the habit, but I like to eat like while I'm watching my show. And The Boys is not an easy show to eat and watch. Just in, SEC's head of crypto asset. Didn't he resign like a couple weeks ago? I thought that bro resigned a couple weeks ago. Oh, here it is. David Hirsch of the SEC quits and becomes head of trading at Solana's Comp Fund Launchpad. Meme coins are pumping hard. Uh oh. Chris Evans, is mother pumping on this news? I mean, a little bit. Are you streaming during Jimmy? No, I gotta work, bro. Yeah, you should watch it. It's good. There was a spin-off from it that's really good too. I forget the name of it. But The Boys is one of the better shows that have come out on TV in the last 4 years. It got a little weird, like season 2 and 3. I don't know, but I think we're on season 4. It's still good. Season one's excellent. 8 million volume. The boy, have you watched Peacemaker, Velez? Peacemaker or that Boys spinoff are both really good. 8 million volume. Are you making fun of Mother? Yeah, 8 million. I mean, that's not bad. You tried Fallout, got a little bored after 4 to 5 episodes. Fallout's a really good show, but I mean, there's some gore in that show too. You're making fun of Cardano? Oh, 8 million volume on the dexes. I see what you're saying. But that was ironic because this coin has eight. This meme coin on Solana has more volume than all the dexes combined on Cardano. What you're telling me? I don't. I don't give a shit about Dexes and what Cardano or the, I just want it to go up in price so I can sell. Thoughts on Warcraft 2, the movie? Mm, was there a Warcraft 1? I don't have any thoughts. Zero thoughts. Never even heard of it. Gonna be on Netflix. Looks dumb as shit. I played World of Warcraft. I never played any of the single player Warcrafts. There's no way this is gonna be any good. Chris Hemsworth? Yeah, I don't. There's no way this is gonna be any good. First Warcraft did not. I didn't. Yeah, I never. Was Chris Hemsworth in that one? Yeah, I saw. We talked about the tweet. Hirsch against exchanges he had previously. He didn't say what his next destination will be. How old is this guy? Probably just wants to retire. I don't think that's David Hirsch from the SEC. Oh, he's kind of young looking. I wonder why he's stepping down. Was he forced? How Weed Whacker's going off. Bitcoin's losing it again already. Short lived. Ugh. I'm just sitting here listening to the leaf blower go wham, wham, wham. It'll be leaf blowers and dogs barking for the next 16 to 17 hours. All in on XRP. The characters in The Boys are interesting. I know Homelander is insane, but his lines and perform. Yeah, I agree. Bro, if you watched Peacemaker, Velez, if you watch Peacemaker, Max Payne before Crypto Pump. I don't know about everyone, but I could use a 500,000. Yeah. I don't know, bro. If someone offered me like gave me $100,000 right now, I don't even know if I'd invest in crypto at this point. And probably, I honestly don't know. I mean, I sit there thinking maybe I should buy some more right now, but at the same time, it's just like I do think this is a really good buying opportunity, but I could be wrong. 70% of my votes think I'm wrong and crypto is dead. There's one thing I'm sure of: crypto's not dead. Bitcoin's not dead. Ethereum's not dead. Solana's probably not dead for now. I mean, Solana's got enough life support to last to the next halving. Cardano's got enough life support to that. last the next halving just because of their treasury. But the dum dums, like I don't know, someone was posting, how would you spend Cardano's treasury with SIP whatever, and it spent like all 1.2 billion of it or whatever, like right away. Bricks country, yeah, you mentioned that like a week or two ago. I don't know if that's true or not. There were no real sources. Get Putin on the line. Putin, get Putin on the line. Get Xi, what's his name, Xi on the line. Still don't understand why they need XRP. Maybe I'm a dum dum, but I don't understand it. Come on, Bitcoin. Stock market is boring as hell. It's probably gonna be a boring week, bro. Bros. Got a holiday in the middle of the week, gumming up things. I don't think there's really anything on the economic calendar. See what we got. Retail sales month over month tomorrow. That's not gonna move the market. Building permits, that's not gonna move the market. That's on Thursday. Justin's son used to work for Ripple, the creator of Tron, and he went over to China and got them all hooked up. Yeah, maybe. You sip too much Kool-Aid, bro. I used to sip too much. You sip too much Kool-Aid. Look, if I have nothing against, like, you don't need this Ripple, you believe in it, and it's gonna do its thing. And then you're a Bitcoin holder. Plenty of people were telling Bitcoin holders to sell when it hit 300, when it, like, as this shit went up, and some of them held with just that R strength, with that R strength. You know what I'm saying? They didn't listen to the naysayers like me, and now they're multi-billionaires. Maybe that's Ripple, bro. Maybe. What's the Kool-Aid behind Cardano? I don't sip it anymore. But there's plenty to sip. Yeah, you know that R strength, bro. That Tom's been hanging out with Kurt. You got that right. We should be able to bring that word back. Relax, that relax strength. That Romeo strength. That retic- reticulated python. Is it reticulated? What does that mean again? Oh, ridiculous. Isn't it reticulated python? Yeah, right there. Why is it called a retic? What does it mean if a complex diamond-shaped pattern that runs along the back? The network like name is I never knew why they were called reticulated python. And that has something to do with like they would constrict or coil up. Oh no, not a Ricky. Would you rather? These are impossible to answer. I'm just someone delete the comment. Would you rather get a hand job? Oh, get a good hand job or bad hand job? No, that one got me. Like I think I'll be right. I am not answering that, bro. No, either answer makes me look like a lunatic. Just the word hand job got me a little bricked up, though. What's your answer, Ricky? One is obviously better. No, 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 nope. You're not even gonna get me to engage, bitch. uh, I tell you my answer with my logic. No, nope. I think the obvious answer is bad, right? There you go. I'll give you bad. Now you got to tell us yours, bitch. You don't want it to be good. Go back, and then you're gonna want to go back for seconds, right? So it's oh yeah, but no, see, you're wrong, bro. Because then you're gonna want to go back. If it's good, you can't. I already did it once. It was good. You know what I'm saying? If it was bad, you can just live in shame for the rest of your life. But at least the shame is not compounding with you going back for seconds, thirds, fourths. If it's a medical, it have to be a medical emergency. At least I wouldn't use. I would never go there in the first place, bro. What if the Celtics lose tonight? Ooh, I hopefully they do. This is probably some cop. I don't know why it's acceptable to copy post on Twitter. Just on for engagement. I'm just I told him he was getting scammed. He didn't want to, and he grumpily left. If you see this happening, I just saw him buy 1,000 in gift cards. I told him he was getting scammed. Why is he getting scammed? He didn't want to admit it and grumpily left with the gift cards. Hopefully, I got through to him. If you see this happening, speak up. Why is buying gift cards a scam? I'm just gonna copy and paste this because that's what you do. Eight things I wish I knew when I started investing. Oh, I gotta go to work. Okay, we're gonna discuss this because I immediately saw the first thing he said is wrong. DCA is really the best strategy to gain wealth. I don't agree. People on X are just shilling your bags. Yep. 100x gains won't last forever. And they won't happen very often. Just like our grandparents with land and our parents with the internet, buy and hold is the safest strategy. Market cap versus price. Yes, you may regret FOMOing in today, but you'll never regret learning. Invest in relation. Blah, blah. Stick, blah, 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 blah. Remember when they said what they said in that one Chappelle skit, a mouse? No, I don't remember that, but that was such. All right, boys, girls, guys and gals, I gotta get to work. Um, Bitcoin's trying to make a pump. If GME announces they're buying Bitcoin, I'll stream tonight. Or if Bitcoin blasts off like past 70,000, I'll stream tonight. Tom's taking a little break. Won't be. No, I wish. I wish. I wish I could, bro. Get me to 100,000 prescribers. Hit them like buttons and let YouTube, roll in the ducats. Or let Cardano go to like $20, and then I'll be able to retire.